Okay, in this video here today I'm going to show how to 21 boot Debian 10 Xfce alongside 20 operating system in UEFI. I found a bug with the Debian 10 when you multi-boot all the desktop environment available. So it's 7 desktop environment. It only shows when you install. It only shows the latest installation that you do. So if you did the Debian 10 with the GNOME, and then you install Debian 10 with the KDE or Xfce, it's just going to show the latest one. So it's going to be the Xfce. So on the next video, I'm going to show how to fix that. So to start installation, you just have to do is double click here, install Debian. Select your language and click next. Select your location and click next. Select your keyboard layout and click next. Select manual partitioning. Click next. On the factory to partition here, that's the UEFI partition. Double click. On the mount point here, select /boot/UEFI. Click OK. Select the free space, double click. You can resize it if you wanna. You can make it whatever size you want with the variable space here. So in this case here, I'm gonna use 20 gigabytes. The 20 gigabyte. 2480 megabytes is 20 gigabyte. If you want to encrypt, click encrypt here. On the mount point, you select the mount point here. Click OK. click next here. The computer name here can be Debian or whatever name you want to give to your computer. I'm going to pause and create my username and password. So it's going to create a 20 gigabyte partition, file system ext4, and I'm going to, on the startup FAT32 partition, with the /boot/UEFI here, what you have to do is click install. It's going to take around 20 It's going to take around 27 minutes to the installation to be complete. So I'm going to pause the video so the video is not going to be long. So the installation is complete. I'm going to click done here. My next video is going to be there is a bug on the Debian-10-GRUB bug, so I'm going to use when I reboot here, it's only going to show the Debian 10 Xfce Windows and the other GNU/Linux distros, but it's supposed to show 7 Debian desktop environment. So it's only going to show the Xfce. So I'm going to show how you can fix that. So you're going to be able to boot to the Debian 10 GNOME or KDE or Xfce or Cinnamon or Mate or Mate, LXQt, LXDE. So I'm going to show how you can do that. So I'm going to record this video, and I'm going to show how to fix this bug. And I'm going to I'm going to post a bug on the Debian 10 forum about the Multiboot Debian bug. So that's going to be my next video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, give a like, and Have a good day. See you in the next video.